The Mini Rhymes TV. Red ice cream, shiny and sweet. All the kids dance on their feet. Laughing loud, they run and play. Red brings joy in every way. Blue ice cream, cool like a sea. Happy children shout with glee. Splashing waves and sky so high. Blue is calm like ocean sky. Green ice cream, fresh and bright. Children jump with pure delight. Like the grass and leafy tree. Green is nature's melody. Yellow ice cream, sunny and fun. Kids are playing on the run. Smiles are shining, bright and mellow. Hooray, hooray for happy yellow. Orange ice cream, tangy and sweet. Children clap and tap their feet. Like the sun at evening time. Orange makes the world so fine. Purple ice cream, magic delight. Kids are twirling in the light. Like the grapes, so soft and round. Purple joy is all around. Pink ice cream, so soft and bright. Kids are giggling with pure delight. Like a flower, pretty and sweet. Pink is love that can't be beat. Brown ice cream, chocolate treat. All the children shout so sweet. Dancing, singing, hand in hand. Brown is joy across the land. Ice cream colors, one by one. Learning colors is so much fun. Red to brown, we sing and play. Happy colors light our day. Yay, very, very good. Bye bye kids, until next time.